Okay, over here to the right, we have the graph of a function that fits this form right here. X cubed minus 1, which by the way we call a difference of cubes, over the trinomial x squared plus 2x minus 3. And you notice that if I graph that, that 1 comma 3/4 is what we call a hole in the graph, because if we put 1 in for x, we get 0 over 0, which is undefined. But if I factor this difference of cubes like this, x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1, and if you don't know how to factor a difference of cubes, you should look that up and review it. But when x gets close to 1, these two, but not equal to 1, these two factors cancel out. And so I can try direct substitution and see what happens. And in the numerator, I get 1 plus 1 plus 1. And in the denominator, I get a 4. So as x gets close to 1, the original function approaches 3/4. If I create a function g of x that eliminates these factors, you can see this table, what's happening. As x gets close, when x equals 1, f of x is undefined, as we discussed. G of 1 is 0.75, this open circle right here. But 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, 0.999, they get closer and closer to 0.75 as x gets closer and closer to 1. And if we come in from the other side of 1, from the right side of 1, 1.1, not very close to 0.75, but as soon as we go to 1.01, 1.0001, we get very close. And we can get as close as we want by letting x get closer and closer to 1. That's what we mean by a limit. So there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.